Hey y'all, welcome back. It's been actually, I'll be honest, it's been a couple of weeks since we've taken any video. In the last clip, I think it's part 5 there, I was just bending up the mock-up nerfs, the perimeter stuff. We hadn't tacked it together yet. Since then, we got all the pieces together, we tacked it together, we fully welded it up. And then we were going to send those mock-ups off to our buddy Ed McGlone at Jaguar Karts to make the production bent pieces, right? And instead of having to send the mock-ups down, he said, listen, if you send them to me, I'm just going to draw them on a piece of paper. So get you a piece of paper and a brand new Sharpie and make sure you trace them real nice. So that's what we did. This is the left. So we did the left and we did the right. Wrote some notes on here. Added some 90-degree pieces into the order. Pre-bent 90s, which we've got over here. He bent a bunch of 90-degree pieces. Also, 2 full 180-degree loops for the back bumper, which are here. And he also bent us a lower and an upper to make the 2-tiered box kind of shaped nerfs that came with the cart from Anderson. So here I'm working on the production piece. Just cut a new stub for here. We went ahead and marked with a black magic marker. I think you can see that past the red. The red is the body work. The black was the mock-up Nerf bar. So we're just making sure we're not sitting any further out or in, because again, that changes the width and dimension of these pods and how they're going to match up with the nose. And it's already going to be a pain in the rear because it doesn't match up as it is. But we don't want to get too far away from where we were. That's what took a week, really, just working all this stuff up, the right and the left, mocking, blocking, being able to get a Nerf that was fully welded so it wouldn't move around, and clamping these things into place and making sure I had the width of the nose matching the width of the pods when they were in place and all that. This is not the snap together project I imagined it was supposed to be. So it's actually far more difficult than mountain Enduro Bodywork. Enduro Bodywork's a piece of cake. But now we're back at it. We got the production bits here. Thanks to Ed. Great job on this stuff. We'll get a rear bumper going when we get past the bodywork and we're working back there. We'll bring you that too, obviously. But just thought we'd bring you another video. Again, we're just going to be tacking this stuff together. We got a bunch of tubes, upright tubes to go in between. We got a notch out yet, and then fit that top piece in. So whole bunch of work to do. We'll bring you a little here and there, but just wanted to touch base with you here. That's it for now. This is part 6. Production bits are here. Ed went and bent the stuff right up to the tracings that we sent him, which was really cool. And we're good to go. So we're just going to work on it. We'll bring you some more in a bit. Hang in there, y'all.